And let's understand that these are not the work of a crazy DJ, but the sounds of the cosmos. Although why wouldn't space be a crazy DJ? These sounds were recorded by NASA's Cassini spacecraft, which has been studying Saturn for about 10 years. Yes, Saturn is that planet in the solar system with the beautiful rings. A gas giant with an atmospheric pressure on its surface 100 times higher than our Earth's, a temperature of -170 degrees Celsius, and winds of 1,800 kilometers per hour. And the sounds are plasma waves coming from the gas giant to its satellite Enceladus, converted into sounds accessible to the human ear. I apologize for the length of the introduction. Let us now listen to Saturn. That was Saturn, and I hope for your generous likes. By the way, share in the comments exactly what you heard in those sounds. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing more of you.